Hello guys, welcome. In this section, we'll be looking at inventory. We'll be looking at how to maintain inventory. So we've actually talked about how to maintain customer, how to maintain vendors, how to set up chart of accounts. The next in line is how to set up and maintain inventory. So the first thing you need to do when you want to maintain inventory uh, is to go to maintain as usual. When you go to maintain, come down, click on inventory items. When you click on inventory items, what we want to do here is just to set up inventory, and we know what inventory is. Inventory is just those goods and services we purchase in order to resell. So those goods and services that are actually goods that are purchased for resale. The main the main agenda for inventory items is when we purchase for resale. There are also inventories that we purchase for use in the business. So inventories are classified into two: the one we purchase for resale and the one we purchase for further use in the business. So, but in this case, we'll be setting up the inventory we purchase for resale. This business actually we purchase and sales of TV, and we can see here we have 32-inch TV, 42-inch TV, and 64-inch TV. We actually took inventory of this, and this is the stock items that we have. We have the product amount, unit, total cost, and sales price per unit. What we want to do here is this. We want to set up this particular inventory in Sage 50 accounting. Look at it here. We want this item set up in Sage 50 accounting. So how do we now go about it? One of the first thing we need to do now is to start with the 32-inch TV. So the first one is the item ID. Copy copy the 32-inch TV and paste it here. The description, copy it also and paste it here. What is the item class? The item class is stock item because it's an inventory stock item. You can see there are different types of item class here. We have the master stock item, the serialized stock item, the non-serialized, description only, the service only. What we are doing here is we choose the stock item because it's a physical goods that we can really see and touch with our hand. So the next thing here is what is to um is to include the price level. The price level here is the sales price per unit. This is it. This is the price level, the sales price per unit. So the price level for 13-inch TV is 55,000. 55,000 naira. So we come here like 55,000 naira. Now what it is? What about the last unit cost? This is the unit cost. What it cost us per unit to purchase each of these 32-inch TV is 42,000. Write it here. So we use FIFO method. IS2 allows us to use either FIFO or weighted average method, but here using FIFO method. What else again are we uh, doing? Look at Sage um, uh, um, has already put in all the necessary ledger accounts to the inventory. You can see here the GL account has been linked. GL account for sales has been linked. The GL account for inventory has been linked. While the GL account for cost of sales. These are very, very important GL accounts. So Sage or any other software will always link it so that it will be very easy for you to account for your inventory. So the next one is the minimum stock. This minimum stock is what level of stock will you have before you reorder? What level? Because immediately you get to that level, it will signal you. The system will signal you. Let's say if we get to 300 units, system should signal us for reordering. System will signal you that, oh, come on, you have to reorder because your item has gone too low. So after this, if there is any beginning balance, if there is no beginning balance, you can add if there is beginning balance. If there is no beginning balance, what you just need here is to what? Save this item. Save. Once you save, you come here and see it here. This is the sales price level one and the last unit cost, stock item, everything. So next thing to do, we've not done with the setup. Click new again. Let's set up the 42-inch TV. Like I said earlier on, copy and paste into the item ID and the description. Choose the stock item. What is the price level? The price level is 68,000. The FIFO. So the price level is 68,000. Why the uh, units unit cost is 63,000. So this one has already been inputted by Sage. So want the minimum stock reordering level to be 300. So once it's 300, system will alert us. Next one is to save this one and do another new one. 64-inch TV. Item class is stock items. Price is 57,500. Unit cost is 76,000. So our order level is minimum stock is 300. I think this one is okay. So what do we do now? We save. Let's go to list and check everything we've done. I think everything is done. Everything that we did here is perfect. What happened? We did not 64-inch TV. What happened? 76,000. I did not put it. Oh, sorry. For the 64-inch TV, the price level is 7. Save. So let's put the price level for 42-inch TV. Price level for 42-inch TV is 68,000. Save. The next list, you can see everything has been properly set up. You can see the item ID, the description, the class, item class, the price level, and the last unit cost. You can see that our inventory has been set up. This is the way to set up inventory. Let's come to the dashboard of let's come to the dashboard there and check inventory and services. You can see that this is, once you click here, you will see it here. This is it. Because we've not transacted, we've not done any transaction on it. That's why it is still in the unit of number of units sold and quantity on hand is still unit. Don't have anything yet. We just set up. It's not as if we have order. Just need to set up first before we order. You can see the ones we've done here. All the setup we've been doing. You can see vendor. All the setup we've been doing is there. So the one we just did now is inventory and services. You can see it here. So it is so easy like that. So I want you to go over it again and set up or your own inventories. Follow the step by step in which I used, and I'm sure, very, very sure you will get it. Thank you and see you in the next class.